growing up in an Italian household, we would eat baccala around Christmas time. My mother would make this cold baccala, which is salted cod, and potato salad that we would eat at antipasto time. So I thought in America, we eat a lot of potato salad, so we're gonna make it. In my bowl, I have 2 potatoes that I've diced, boiled, and cooled. They still have a bite to them. You don't want a mushy potato salad, no. And then instead of salted cod or baccala, which is such a pain to prepare because you have to soak it and boil it and soak it. Okay, I'm just using fresh cod fillets. So I just seared them on either side, and I'm just using a fork just to flake them up a bit. This has also been cooled, so you can do this with any leftover fish. Actually, it's a great little dish. There we go. Add that to our potatoes. No cod gets wasted, not in this house. We always added something briny, so capers or olives if you prefer. I'm using capers. Chopped red onions. This is half of a small red onion. Diced celery. And then we'll make a vinaigrette for this. Salt, oregano, red wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar, a little mustard. While whisking, add your olive oil to emulsify it into the dressing. I'm gonna lightly mix together my baccala and potatoes. Gorgeous dressing over top. Make sure every little piece is coated. I mean, is that not looking gorgeous or what? You could eat this right away, but it's better if you kind of let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge or overnight. Let those potatoes soak up the dressing. You got veg, you got carb, you got protein. Buon appetito.